It's time for some vintage peace dollars, and boy, do we have two of them that are ripe, i.e. perfect product, perfect price, perfect rarity. Let's go. 1923, the coin, Denver. 1926, the coin, Denver. We're going to go over all the numbers here. These are what they call super sliders. For us, the technical grade is about uncirculated. AU 53 to AU 55 and the technical curve. Look at the quality of the hairlines on these. These are beautiful, beautiful about uncirculated coins. Now we call them super slider, and I say this every time we talk about this category, because when I talk about uncirculated coins, am I talking about an uncirculated coin, or am I talking about uncirculated as a coin? It's all about where I pause in the sentence, and we do not want to confuse anybody. Never our intent, ever. The prices should stand out and explain it completely, but we just make sure we change the vernacular a little bit. But the grade is the grade, 53 to 55 on that numeric scale. These coins are special.
So let's talk about the branchments, right? Denver, San Francisco. And let's compare, oh, real quick though, before we get to that, this is an example on the left of a circulated peace dollar. We wanted to show you the difference between a pretty decent circulated coin and the super sliders, the about uncirculated. This is a nice circ. This is a gorgeous super slider. Just to give you an idea of the grade and the value, we'll get into that as well. So branchments, San Francisco, 1923, 19 million made. Denver's 6.8 million. 1926, San Francisco, 6.9 million. Denver, 2.3 million. So when you compare the mintage figure from the branchments, you'll find that the Denvers are far rarer than the other branchment, San Francisco. Take it one step further though. Then we look at populations. And let's compare all mints, PD and S, Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco. In 1923, the grading services have seen 348,000 coins. They've seen 9,123 out of San Francisco. Denver wins the race again at 5,334. So not only is it a small mintage, it's also a really small population. And 1926 is not much different. Philadelphia, 12,412, San Francisco, 7,800, and Denver just over 4,500. Denver wins the race again.
And again, not only in the mintage figure war, but it also backed up by the population on the services, right? The grading services telling us what they've seen. Just great coins. But then you get to the other side of the equation. Look at our price. We're at $89.95 for super sliders, about uncirculated coins. Our competition has circulated coins at $109 and $120 respectively. They also have super sliders available at $225 and $129 respectively. And then they have uncirculated coins at just under $400 and just under $300 respectively.
So their coin on the left, this coin right here is $109 on the 1923 and $120 on the 1926.
Yeah,
more than our presentation of the super slider, $89.95 for this gorgeous, stunning, beautiful coin. $89.95 each. 1923, 1926. No matter how you slice it, it's a substantial saving.
They say it is what it is, and this one is exactly that, right? These are the beautiful coins. These are the grades. So again, we break it down into three categories: circ, slider, unk. And whenever you can find a slider, an about uncirculated coin that's priced under the majority of people's circulated coins, then just have that as a circulated coin, even though we know it's not, because you're saving a lot of money. And why not be in your pocket and then get this type of a coin in its stead? It's just a great opportunity. And then you look at the jump to unk, which a lot of people would love to do if they could, but when you look at the grade, look at the quality and the value and the price, every once in a while you see a couple of pockets that just tell you the AU or about uncirculated or super slider category, all of them the same, are really the place to be in the the series. Now the peace dollar is the last 90% silver dollar struck by the U.S. Mint for circulation. We haven't seen one since. The silver eagle is a special coin, a bullion coin, not made for circulation. The Ike, the P's and D's were copper clad. The collector coins were silver. So these are the last of its kind. And we're always looking for the pockets that just have all the value, not only mintage figures, not only population values, but not only grade values. And these are a grade value. Guys, we got to put a 30-second clock up. Got to be moving on.
There it is again, the circulated in comparison to the super slider. The coin on the left will cost you $129 or $109, depending on the date. And when we bounce back over to that super slider, you're going to pay $89.95. It's a your choice opportunity tonight, folks. You don't have to buy both to get the great deal, but you're more than welcome to, because at this price, it's a great opportunity to add these to your collection at a great value.
And again, as I referenced in closing, that circulated coin on the left right there, they sell that for $109 and $120 respectively on these two coins. So let's just say that's okay. Look at our beautiful circulated coins for less money. Yeah, that's the deal. Got to join us.